Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 2 of marching through my minis. I am so excited. We finished 2 yesterday, which is pretty amazing. I have my $8 here today. So let's put that into our bank. All these dashboards and prop coins are from Brittany over at Budgeting with Ginger. And I got it over on her Ko-fi. I think it's so cute. I know Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner has some available if you want to hop in and play along. And you also don't need this. You could just write some numbers on a piece of paper and do it your own way. So, all right, so our money's in the bank. We got our prop coins. We're going to start at number 7. Let's get our dice ready and our coins. Let's mix them up with just a smidge. So I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. I still can't believe it's March. I have a couple errands today and tomorrow, so I feel like there's a lot of running around in the beginning of the week. But I am working on orders still. I have a bigger launch on March 15th that I do not want to postpone. I want to do 2 for number 8. I want to get that one out. And then, yeah, I just have so many things I want to do. So I'm trying to prioritize the most important, get rid of stuff that isn't important, and move on. All right, 2 for number 3. 1 for number 4. 1, 2, and 3 for number 5. 1, 2, and 3 for number 6. And we're already back to 7, which is getting 1 prop coin. 8 is getting 2. Back to 1. 1 and 2. 1 for number 2. 1 and 2 for number 3. 1, 2 for number 4. It looks like I have 3 left, I think. 1, 2, and 3. So that all goes to number 5. So we will start on number 6 tomorrow. Okay, so number 1 got $1. And this one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets, and we only needed $2 or 2. Oh my goodness, we only needed 2 coins. We only needed 50 cents. So 25 and 50. So the streak continues. Granted, it's day 2. I'm going to put 2 of those back there. And then let's get out a new one in our extras. Let's see, what is this one? This one is from Danny at Craftco Budgets. This was in her 2025 book. I love it so much. So let's do 2 hearts, and I am going to color them in. So I'll be right back. All right, 2 hearts colored in, and we are good to go for that one. All right, number 2 got 75 cents. And we have this one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So 25, 50, and 75. That one will save us 4. And then number 3 got $1. This one is also from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we get to do 4 circles. And there we go. And then number 4, I'm sorry, got $1. I saw the 5 there. This one is from Budget with Carly, so we can do 4 little cute balloon animals. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So adorable. All right, number 5. So number 5 got $1.75. And it needed 50 cents. So I'll put the 50 cents away. This one's from Chaos Budgeting. We finished that one for $3. Let's write that on there. Wait, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So we should have finished it there. So I have 75 cents that I'm going to put into the next one along with this because I overdid it. It should have been $3. Okay, so let's get a new one. Let's try to get a bigger one. Oh, we have one from Kimmy's Corner back here. Let's do this one. That's $4. Okay, so we have 75 cents that I'm going to do from this one. So 1, 2, 3. So now this one's ready to go. And then I have $1.25. So 25 and then 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we are halfway done this one. This is a bestie exclusive because she has a fun membership. I didn't mean to mess that one up. Hope that made sense, guys. All right, so we have 75 cents going in number 6. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can mark off 3. So 1, 2, 3. Stick that back in there. All right, number 7 got 50 cents. This one is from Isabel Gigi, and we can do 2 boxes. Looks like 8 got a lot. All right, so 8 got 50. So 8 got $1.25. And it needed $1. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do our last little row of ones. So this is $3 as well. Let's see what our next one is. Let's do this cute one from Heather over at Saving Supermom. She gave me 2 tinies in my last member, but the other one I have in my Monday minis, or will have in my Monday minis, but I wanted to have one in this one. So we will do 25, and I added a circle, so it would be $2. So 1 circle filled in on Cat in the Hat. Put that there. And then let's go back to, let's put our prop coins away first. And then we need 5, 3, and 3. So 6 and 5 is $11. $11 for 3 challenges. So we can do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Put this back in here. All right, are completed. We are adding $11 and then 3 more challenges. So cool. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for joining me today on marching through my minis. I'm having so much fun doing this and doing a little randomizer at the end of the month for some fun things. So appreciate you being here. I hope you have a great week. And until next time, take care. Bye.